Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. बच्चों, पिछली कक्षा में हम देखा है कि रमा नामक अध्यापिका अपने अनुभवों के बारे में इस कहानी में लिखते हैं. ओके, नारायण चाचा और वह कैसे यह अध्यापिका किस प्रकार अपने गीले कपड़ों के साथ उसके एक कंधी को भी ले लिया और इसलिए वो अपने मन में बहुत दुखी हो गई और किस प्रकार वह उसे वापस लेना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो देखिए, one day what happens to a boy. One day a boy fell down into the water, and at that time his father asked a boatman, mallah means boatman. His father, the boy's father, asked a boatman to save the boy. And at that time, what did the boatman tell? Look, अपने पुस्तक में पेज नंबर 84 देखिए. मल्लाह बोला, 15,000 देने का वायदा करिए, तब मैं गंगा जी में कूदूंगा. Then the boy was drowning, and at that time his father, he did not know how to swim or how to save the boy, and at that time he seeked the help of the boatman, and the boatman told that or replied, what was his reply? Mallah bola. The boatman replied, he told, 15,000 देने का वायदा करिए. So please give me a promise that you will give me 15,000, 15,000, 15,000 rupees. Okay, इसके वायदा करिए, promise. Please give me a promise to give me this amount, 15,000. तब मैं गंगा जी में कूदूंगा. So if you give me 15,000 rupees, I will save the boy. Okay. Then मल्लाह अभी सौदेबाजी कर ही रहा था कि नारायण चाचा झपट कर गए और गंगा जी में कूद पड़े. Then what happened at that time? मल्लाह अभी सौदेबाजी कर ही रहा था. He was bargaining. सौदेबाजी करना means bargaining. He was bargaining for getting this amount. If he gets this amount, he will save the boy. In that way he was bargaining. And at that time, Narayan Chacha chapat kar gaye. So suddenly he came. Narayan Chacha came there. And Ganga ji mein kood pade. He jumped into the water, jumped into the river in Ganga ji. Okay, in the river Ganges. He jumped. Who? Narayan Chacha. So while the boatman was bargaining for the money, if he saved the boy, he would get, he must get this amount. And at that time, without saying, Narayan Chacha came there and he jumped into the water. नारायण चाचा झपट कर गए और गंगा जी में कूद पड़े. कूदना मीन्स जंप, कूद पड़े. ही जंप्ड. वो लड़के को पानी से निकाल कर ले आए. देन ही सेव्ड द बॉय और ही टुक आउट द बॉय फ्रॉम द वाटर. हु? नारायण चाचा. वह मीन्स नारायण चाचा लड़के को पानी से निकाल कर, ही टुक द बॉय from the water, took out the boy from the water and ले आए. घाट पर लिटा कर पेट का पानी निकाला. And नारायण चाचा घाट पर लिटा कर, he laid the boy on the steps. घाट means steps, सीढ़ियाँ. घाट पर लिटा कर, he laid the boy on the steps and पेट का पानी निकाला. पेट का पानी means while he was drowning, he might have drank some water, and that water, what we would do, so when in order to save the boy, पेट का पानी निकाला. That means he pressed, he might have pressed the boy and the water came out from his stomach. पेट means stomach. पेट का पानी निकाला. The water came out from his stomach through the mouth. पिता तुरंत अस्पताल ले गए. पिता तुरंत means suddenly, and the father took the boy to the hospital very speedily. तुरंत suddenly or speedily he took the boy to the hospital. अस्पताल means hospital. लड़का ठीक हो गया and the boy perfectly all right. Okay, लड़का ठीक हो गया. दूसरे दिन लड़के के पिता घाट पर आए. The next day the boy's father came on the steps of the river. नारायण चाचा से कहा and he told the boy's father told नारायण चाचा what पंडित जी आपने मेरे लड़के की जान बचा ली. So पंडित जी you saved my boy's life. आपका एहसान मैं जिंदगी पर नहीं भूलूंगा. So आपका एहसान मीन्स मदद हेल्प. आपका मदद मैं जिंदगी पर नहीं भूलूंगा. I will not forget this. I will not forget your help in my life. फिर 5,000 रुपयों की गड्डी दमाकर बोले and what he did he gave a bundle of 5,000 रुपयों 500 rupee notes he gave to नारायण चाचा and he told एक तुच्छ बैंड है. It is a very small gift for you. तुच्छ बैंड. तुच्छ means very small. तुच्छ बैंड है, इसे स्वीकार कर लीजिए. So please accept this present or this gift, very small gift, and so please accept this. And what नारायण चाचा told? नारायण चाचा ने उनके पैर पकड़ लिए. पैर पकड़ना means with very much humble, polite way he told. मुझे संकोच में मत डालिए. So please don't be make in a confusion. Don't be confused. Don't make me confusion. आशीर्वाद दीजिए कि मेरी रोजी रोटी इसी तरह चलती रहे. So please don't give me such type. That means such type of gift. That is this money. I don't want this. And what he asked or what he wants. आपने मेरे what he wants only the blessings. आशीर्वाद दीजिए कि मेरी रोजी रोटी डेली food. Roti means here roti denoted for food, main food. Rozi daily I want to get my food. इसी तरह चलती रहे. इस प्रकार I want to spend my days with this type of only. I want the food for each day. That's enough. मैंने कर्तव्य निभाया है. I do my duty. कर्तव्य my duty. I only did my duty. कोई बड़ा काम नहीं किया है. I didn't do any बड़ा काम, superior job, good. That means he did only his duty. He thought like that. फिर बोले मेरे पिता ने मुझे तैरना सिखाया था. Then he told his father. नारायण चाचा जी के फादर मुझे तैरना सिखाया था. He taught me how to swim. The swimming. He taught me swimming. My father. आज उनकी आत्मा को बड़ी शांति मिली. So he might have died. And आज उनकी आत्मा means नारायण चाचा जी की पिता की आत्मा बड़ी शांति मिली होगी. So he might felt very calm and happiness because उनकी सिखाई विद्या here means swimming. That means he taught his son swimming. And the soul of his father might have been happy when he saw this, that he saved a boy from drowning because he knew swimming. That is why. उनकी सिखाई विद्या means vidya here education. What education? The knowledge of swimming. That is the education here. किसी के काम आ गई. So it made an effort or success. It was a success, great success in his life. नारायण चाचा ने पैसे नहीं लिए. So his father, boy's father gave him money and नारायण चाचा did not accept that money. नारायण चाचा ने पैसे नहीं लिए. रमा को एक बात याद आ रही है. So all these things now remembered by Rema. Now Rema was remembering all these things about नारायण चाचा. And उसे लगा भूल से ही सही means without knowing. She did not know or without knowing she took the comb. भूल से ही सही. It was true but वह बहुत बड़ी गलती कर बैठी है. So definitely it was a fault. गलती means fault. किसी की कोई चीज अनुचित ढंग से नहीं लेनी चाहिए. So we must not take the anybody's things without knowing them. उसे अपनी एक सहेली की याद आई. Now she remembered another. सहेली means friend. Another thing, another incident she remembered. जिसने सब्जी खरीदते हुए एक नींबू फालतू ले लिया था. वह फ्रेंड what she did, उसके यह सहेली ने क्या किया, सब्जी खरीदते हुए while she was buying the vegetables, सब्जी vegetables, while she was buying the vegetables, एक नींबू फालतू ले लिया था. So extra, अधिक नींबू, one lemon she took, extra lemon she took from the shopper. And तब नींबू वाले को आखिर ठोकना पड़ा था. So after all, finally नींबू वाला knew that, and definitely it was a crime, isn't it? रमा ने सोचा, बिना बताए एक नींबू ज्यादा ले लेना भी क्या चोरी नहीं है. So she surprised. Rema in her mind thought that बिना बताए, without telling, एक नींबू, one lemon ज्यादा, extra she took one lemon, without saying, ले लेना भी क्या चोरी नहीं है. ये वह तो चोरी है, वो तो चोरी है. क्या, बिना बताए एक नींबू ज्यादा ले, extra she took an extra lemon, and that was also a theft. Definitely it was also a theft, is it? So Rema in her mind thought all these things when she understood that the comb, she took the comb from the steps without knowing, okay, with her गीले कपड़े, the wet clothes. Clear? And children, it was the truthfulness or truthful character of Rema, and that is why she was very much confused about this thing. It was definitely a small thing, and while she was thinking about this, she felt that it was a crime, theft, is it? So children, you please read this story very well, and the remaining part we will take in the next class. And up to here, you take down the notes attached with this and do the test paper, okay, and post it. धन्यवाद.